Now, fertilising your garden can seem very confusing with all the different products out there, but today I'm going to break it down for you, show you what to use and when to use it. I'm Ben Hayman and I'm a horticulturalist. Today we're going to talk about Hoselink fertilisers. Here we have Hoselink Seaweed Tonic, Garden Fertiliser, Lawn Fertiliser and Spray Mixer. In a nutshell, the difference between a seaweed tonic and a fertiliser is the tonic's like a medicine for the plant and soil, and the fertiliser is more like a food. The three main nutrients that the plants require that are in our fertilisers is nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium.
The nitrogen promotes healthy, lush green leaf growth and is great for lawns, leafy veggies and all citrus. The phosphorus promotes vigorous growth of the roots and stems and is essential for photosynthesis. And the potassium promotes bigger, better quality fruit and flowers, disease resistance and overall plant health.
Now, to break down our fertiliser just a little bit more, our garden fertiliser is more of an all-rounder, whereas our lawn fertiliser is really high in nitrogen and will have your lawn looking lush and green in as little as 3 days. Now, all these products are concentrate, so you can either dilute them in a water can, or Hoselink have taken all the guesswork out of it with their spray mixer. You simply read the instructions on the back, pour into the mixer and away we go.